Hello everyone, I am Fabio Scacciaferro. I am a professional in the world of coffee, and today I am here to introduce another great coffee maker by Ariete, the 1312. This coffee appliance has the same mechanics as the 1313. Please refer back to it. What's more, it comes with two professional filters, even more professional. And it has a display, which I'll later describe. Now, let's prepare our espresso, but the way I like it. Let's remove the filter holder and prepare our espresso. I will now click on the 2 cups button, and then our coffee maker advises us to use a double wall filter holder for our coffee measure. Now, let's adjust the grinding level. In this case, we will set it to the max. Here we go. Maximum level. And we are also going to adjust the size of the cups of our espresso. I like my coffee not too watery. After that, the appliance will ask us whether we want to save it as my profile or if we want to save it as default for all the users who will be using the espresso maker. I will save it as a personal profile. And now let's make our coffee. Let's extract our espresso. Here we have it, the espresso the way I like it. Now, let's move on to our milk-based beverage. Let's go to the main menu and select cappuccino this time. I will set the size of the espresso shot and the power of the steam one. In this case, I want to have it very, very high powered. And I will also save this into my personal profile. And let's start with the coffee first. Let's now prepare a tea together. We take a look here at the tea beverage menu. Here you will find 4 different types of tea. White tea, green tea, oolong tea, and black tea. Today I feel like having a nice black tea. Let's start by selecting the size of the cup and saving it as our default. After that, I recommend you always flush the steam wand each time you use it. So let's start by cleaning it. And after doing that, we insert it in our cup and we prepare our tea. Now let's take the tea bag, we put it in the cup, and it's 5 o'clock, tea time, and here we have it. Enjoy the tea.